night before Christmas. A holiday lift the flap story. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and the pups decked the halls with long strings of popcorn and old tennis balls. The cookies were set out for Santa to eat. The pups tried to stay up, but they soon fell asleep. While up in the sky was a great sight to see. Santa and his reindeer flew past the pups' tree. The sleigh hit a storm, which caused it to fall. So dear old Santa gave Ryder a call. The pups rose at once, and without a delay, Ryder, Rocky, and Rubble fixed Santa's sleigh. The gifts had been tossed all over the place, so into the night went Sky, Marshall, and Chase. The pups then delivered the toys just like that to Wally, Chickaletta, and Callie the cat. Chase searched for the reindeer and found them at last. He used his megaphone to line them up fast.
"I lost the magic Christmas star,"
Santa said with a sigh.
"The star has the magic that makes the sleigh and reindeer fly."
Then from up in the sky, they heard a loud moo. They saw Bettina. They found the star too. The pups in the sleigh took a ride through the sky. They oohed and they awed as the reindeer soared high. The pups saved Christmas. Santa thanked one and all. It's true, no job is too big, no pup is too small. The pups went to sleep in a festive mood, for they got to meet the big jolly dude. And in the morning they celebrated together, and everyone agreed it was the best Christmas ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Paw Patrol stories, check out my Paw Patrol playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho!